Everyone, on my Telegram channel, you will have got the earlier trade on Morgan Stanley, and I mentioned how some of you might want to get information from TV channels. There you go, Bloomberg over my shoulder. But in actual fact, we prefer just looking at the algos. So anyway, I want to give you that update. So it's the old buy signal there. The price had been around these levels for a while. Well, yes, indeed, it shot up and has been very good for some of you who've messaged me to say thanks very much for that one. Morgan Stanley, not one which in the morning we were looking at initially, but it was because of the news item that I mentioned and so on. So if you're on the Telegram channel watching this, you're already up to date and you would have seen the video from about, I think it was a couple of hours ago, if that. And for the rest of you, yeah, you better have a look at pipspredator.com and the Telegram channel, which, again, doesn't just give you the trades, but gives you lots of advice in terms of how you should look to do trades and how you take a view on things. This is a typical example of one which wasn't straightforward because look how it went up at this point, which is not our initial profit target. Remember, it's where we add to our winners and then moves all the way back below the entry, then going sideways and before shooting up. Well, if you look at the earlier video, you'll see how not only just based on news to get an idea of what to do, and we don't like trading on news, but also on the earlier time frame. On the whole, what I say to people is you're going to look at the entry levels, you're going to look at the stop losses, you're going to look at where to add to your winners, and you're going to keep life simpler. But the Morgan Stanley trade was slightly more complicated because there I said, for those of you who want to, as well as using the indicator, use news channels because you're like a geek and you like watching the news and seeing what's in the news and then looking at the previous time frame and this one to see what's working together. That's fine as well. It just takes a bit more time and it depends whether you want to do it that way, but you don't have to. You don't have to. And either way, you would get things like this happening. So congratulations to those of you who've already messaged me about the Morgan Stanley trade from today. Those of you who are not on the Telegram channel for pipspredator.com, go to pipspredator.com and you'll see the Telegram channel there. Thanks very much.